How to withdraw Exness to Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily withdraw your Exness to your Binance account. So first thing, make sure you have successfully logged in with your account on this website called exness.global. It's official website, and once you do that, what I want you to do is simply click over here and just click on manage account, and from over here you will be redirected to this page, and where you can see the withdrawal option. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, head over to your Binance Pay section at the top, as you can see, and from here just enter your ID from the account you want to send, and just enter the amount like this. And once you do that, once you enter all of your details in here inside here, so let me just show you the next step, and that is once you successfully transfer the amount, enter the amount, you just have to for the successful withdrawal, you just have to provide your Binance ID from the official Binance website. Just simply log into your Binance website, and from here you can see on your profile icon under the dashboard section, you will see your profile ID. Just copy from there, and from there you just have to simply click on it and proceed, and by clicking on the next button from here, and your request will be in progress, and after some time you should be able to see your transaction history and the progress of your transaction inside here. So hope this video was helpful guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.